I hope you all are excited for the second week of our circle time together with Miss Vivene. So today I have brought a new good morning song, okay? A new good morning song which you have to learn along with me. The action is good morning. How are you today? I hope you all are keeping fine. So let's all sing together and learn with me, okay? This whole week we will be singing this good morning song so that we will learn it thoroughly. So let's all start. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? I hope you all are keeping fine. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? I hope you all are keeping fine. I welcome each and every one of you to the second week of Circle Time with Miss Vivene. I hope you have enjoyed the good morning song, but there is one more person who wants to wish us good morning after the good morning song. Those who have joined my previous Circle Time class with me, you will be knowing it that we have someone who used to wish us after the good morning song. Are you ready? Those friends of mine, those who know that what is going to come and wish us, let's all begin. The good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo-choo! The good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo-choo! The good morning train is coming, the good morning train is coming. The good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo-choo! And we'll say hello to our friends wearing purple, choo-choo. And we'll say hello to our friends wearing brown, choo-choo. And we'll say hello to our friends wearing orange, pink and blue. And we'll say hello to our friends wearing different colors, choo-choo. Yes. So today I want you to look at me and tell me, what do you see the different in me today? Some have different hairstyles like short haircuts, curl their hairs. Sometimes they bind their hairs like me with a ponytail, and also they open up their hair like the previous week classes I took. So a person can have different hairstyles but they are the same person, okay? They are the same person. Like me, I am Miss Vivene. I have different hairstyle today, and in the previous class, I have the same hairstyle. That is the thing I wanted to let you know, that the difference that I have today. And for the same and different, I have something for you. I want all of you to pay attention to me and look here on the screen and tell me, let me see whether you can differentiate or not. So here it is an apple and a banana. Can you tell me whether they are the same or different? An apple and a banana. Yes, very good. They are different. They cannot be same. Because one is an apple, the other is a banana. Very good. So one more time. The next one is an orange and some grapes. Do you think they are the same? Oranges and the grapes? No. They are not the same. They are different fruits. Oranges and grapes are different fruits. Very good. Wow, you can differentiate the fruits very well. Very good. So now here there are lots of avocados. Are they different or the same? Are they different or the same? Can any one of you tell me? Yes, very good. They are the same because all of those pictures are avocados. They are not different fruits. Very good. So I want all of you to listen to me and look here on the screen and read out the word which we have been learning from the previous circle time class. Yes, very good. It is written as today is Monday. Very good. Today is Monday. Can you spell the word with me? M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Very good. You have spelled the word Monday together with me. And let's read it out one more time. Today is Monday. Very good. If today is Monday, can any one of you tell me what day was yesterday? Yes, very good. Yesterday was Sunday. Those who don't know, please repeat the word with me. Sunday. Very good. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Very good. Very good. So we have learned the difference and the same things out here with the fruits. Very good. And now I want all of you to learn one number which will be the number of the week for this whole week. This whole week from Monday till Friday, whatever class circle time we have, we will learn the number 9. I hope you all have been practicing the number 8 and the letter F which we have learned in the previous circle time, those who have joined for the circle time last week. So, those who don't have, I want all of you to get slate or a paper, or if you don't have any of them, now I want all of you to use your pointer finger and to draw the number 9 with me. Are you ready? I want all of your pointer fingers to be up beside your head and let's make it. It should be a curved and a standing line. One more time. A curve and a standing line, which is the number 9. Very good. One more time. Slowly. Curved and a standing line, which is the number 9. Now I want all of you to play a game with me, which is counting the numbers. Counting the numbers. Are you ready to count the numbers with me? Yes. So instead of the numbers, I have put up some fruits here and I want all of you to count them. How many fruits are there beside me? Let's all do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Very good. Those are the 9 fruits you have counted in correctly. Very good. I want all of you to look here beside me and tell me and read out the sentence with me. Number of the week. Say it with me. Number of the week. The number of the week is the number 9 and the letter of the week. Say it with me. Letter of the week is the letter. Can any one of you recognize which alphabet is on the screen? Yes, very good. It is a letter P. The letter P and the sound of P is P. 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 Very good. The letter P. Very good. So I want all of you to trace the letter P with me. Those who have books can write it down in your books and you can trace it with me. Okay? Very good. So the letter P is the opposite side of the number 9. Number 9 is starting with a curve and a standing line. Now I want all of you to watch carefully. The letter P is starting with a standing line. All of you please point it with your pointer finger. A standing line, and on top of the standing line you have to start another curve, and in the middle of the standing line you have to stop the P. Very good. One more time. All of you look here at my pointer finger very carefully. A standing line, and from this place where we start, there you have to put a curve. Yes, very good. That is the letter P. Very good. And the sound of the letter P is P. And I have to find out 4 words for all of you to learn with me. So, the 4 words that is coming to my mind right now is the right word that is coming to my mind is pizza. I hope you all like pizza, isn't it? Yes, I like it too. I like it very much. So let's pronounce the word pizza together. Very slow and beautifully. Pizza. Very good. Pizza. Very good. The next word that comes to my mind with the sound of P is pig. 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 Very good. The next one is the pointer finger. Can anyone tell me what I'm going to say? Yes, correct. It is the word point. You use pointer finger to point. Point. Very good. The last word starting with the sound of P is purple. Very good. The color purple starts with the letter P. P. Very good. So today I have brought a shape of the week for this whole week, the 3 classes that we will be having it in this week. So the shape is triangle. I want all of you to pronounce it with me, which is triangle. Triangle. One more time. Triangle. Very good. Let's spell the word triangle together. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Very good. Very good. And I want you to learn the sides of the triangle. Can you look here at the triangle and tell me how many sides does it have? It has 3 sides. Is it 4? Is it 5? How many sides? 3 sides. Okay? Very good. It has 3 sides, starting from the beginning, a slanting line, and from the top, another slanting line and a slipping line. From here, 1, 2, and 3. Very good. A triangle has 3 sides. Very good. And I want you to tell me what weather is out there today. Yes, very good. Today is, the weather out here is sunny. The weather out here is sunny today again. It is a sunny day. I'll be showing you here what is sunny. You have to look there and recognize what does I mean by saying that it is a sunny day out here. Yes, very good. So today I want all of you to sing a rhyme with me, which we will be using 2 fingers, the pointer finger and the thumb finger of your left, and your right, and we will be doing an action. For your right hand, you can put it upside down. The L can be an upside down and put it like this. And let's all turn it around and touch the tip of your fingers. Yes, very good. Let's start, okay? And the rhyme here is known as Incy, Wincy, Spider. Very good. Let's sing 2 times together, and this whole week we will be singing it together and we will learn it well, okay? Yes, very good. So let's start. Incy, Wincy, Spider, climb up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Incy, Wincy, Spider climbed up the spout again. The Incy, Wincy, Spider climbed up the spout again. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Incy, Wincy, Spider climbed up the spout again. Very good. So I want all of you to practice doing this, okay? And in the next class, on Wednesday, we will be doing it very fast. Bees will practice more and come so that we can all do it together very, very fast, okay? Let's enjoy the next class. I want all of you to stay fit, fine, and healthy and strong, okay? And then we will be seeing you in the next class, the next circle class. Thank you, everyone.